النقطة. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Okay, Assalamu alaikum. So Maddie and Ashley is helping me. Go ahead. Mark the letters which you don't recognize or you recognize but you're not 100% sure. Go ahead. Keep marking more letters. Go ahead. And then
Okay.
I'll tell you. Okay, so I see the ha, I see the calf. Okay, my last name's letter. Okay, more. Come on, fire. Circle more letters you that are confusing.
Let's see. So that one that I just circled, I remember we did something, but since it has that little tail on the left, I remember there was something you said about it, but I don't remember what.
That's fine. Go ahead. Keep doing. Keep doing.
Okay.
This one's pretty confusing.
Is this one the Hamza? Or what is that?
I'm talking. Are we talking about? Are we talking about here?
Yeah.
I'll tell you very soon. Come on. One or two more letters that are confusing.
Hmm.
How about? Do you think this letter is confusing you? The yellow highlighted letter?
Uh, I would say yes.
Okay. Okay, how about this one? Ashley, what's this letter?
That's the ta.
Okay, that's a ta. Good job. Smile. Ta. Okay. So it's like if I say ta, so if I say a word in English, like if I want to say tomatoes, I'm going to say tomatoes, tomatoes, because we don't have that hard T. We have only a ta, tomato. Or see you tomorrow, tomorrow. Okay, so that's how light this ta is. It's not tomorrow. It is. If I want to say anything in English, I can use this ta saying tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Yes. So this one is letter ta. Okay. This one is also letter ta. If you see two dots on top, that is letter ta. Okay, now uh, is this letter ta, Maddie? Is this letter ta?
No.
No, because the difference between this one and this one, two dots on top, good. Two dots on top here also, good. But this one is has a round big head and two dots. That's what we don't need. That's a off. And how about here? Two dots on top is also a ta. Okay, so whenever you see this here, two dots on top is ta. Guess what? This ta is sitting over another letter. We'll just find out which letter is this very soon. Okay, so um, finding all letter tas, this is letter ta, this is letter ta, and this is letter ta. Two dots on top is letter ta. This is letter ta. This is letter ta. Okay, so these are letter ta. So now, inshallah, let's go. Now, let's go see what other letters are confusing us. Okay, so we take the ta out.
So
Okay,
I do have a question though about this ta that you just erased, those two that are there together.
yes, I'll bring them
That
up.
just intrigued me. How would you pronounce that?
Okay.
Ta-ta?
Yes. Tata. Put the shadda in.
Ta-ta.
This is a shadda. So tata. Put the shadda in. Tata.
Ta-ta.
Tata.
Okay.
That's what the shadda does. Shadda bangs the two sounds together. So this one,
Okay.
wherever you see the shadda, Shadda bangs the two sounds together. This is our future lesson, but it's okay if you know about it. Okay, so that's a shadda. Okay, so let's go. So we are good with the ta. Okay, now let's go see letter ha. Okay, so let's go see letter ha. Okay, so I'm gonna say letter ha, and I'll have to make the letter ha. So ha is two eyes. This is letter ha. Now the ha can also be like this, okay? And the ha can also lose an eye and just be like this, okay? If it's joining like in the word Allah, alif, lam, lam, ha. Okay, so that's also a ha, one eye ha. The ha can have two eyes, whether it's like laying down or sitting, like kind of sitting up straight or laying down. Two eyes, or one eye. Okay, then there is a ha that can also be one eye, just like this. Okay, a little two bunny ears. Okay, I call these the two bunny ears. That is also letter ha. In the future, you are going to see another letter house that's going to be looking like a bird. Okay, but that's not here yet. Okay, and then in the future, you're also going to be looking at a ha that's going to be a squished ha. Okay, that's actually going to be a squished ha. That's also a kind of a ha, inshallah. But for now, let's see what ha's do we have. Okay, so go ahead, everybody. Let's go find all the ha's. Go ahead, Maddie, find the ha. Whatever ha you could see, find the ha.
Okay. Um,
Let's go, Ashley and Maddie. Find letter ha. Find letter ha.
uh,
And this ha is more like the chest ha. It's the vibration ha. It's more like the English sound ha. Oh, hello.
oh, no, it's a terrible circle.
That's fine. That's fine. Okay,
Um,
I am gonna
um,
try to bring the what did I
oh,
do? Oh, it's okay. Let me fix whatever I did. Okay. Okay. So I just wanted to show you the first line a bit more. Okay. Okay. That's a ha. Good job. Okay. I'm gonna start highlighting the ones that are ha. That's a ha. Yes. That's a ha. Yes. Hey, the first word is Allah or Allahi. The first word on the sheet, that's also a ha. This one here, okay? Yeah, good job. Okay, that's good. That is good. Hey, in the third line, there is also Allah written. Yes. Then the fourth line, good. In the third line, also, yes. So now we know if you see Allah written, that means the ha you already know. One of the ha's is already the ha at the end. Whenever it's at the end, it comes like that. Okay, good. Okay, now grab this ha for me. This ha. You have the two eyes one, you have the ha that is one eye, as like when we write it in Allah. Get me this ha, get me this ha. It's in the last line, it's hiding in the last line, it is hiding.
I'm having trouble seeing it. Oh, there it is. There was a menu blocking it.
Yep. Sometimes there's a lot of things on the screen. Okay, go ahead. In the last line, the ha that is round, one eye, is hiding under letter ta. The ta and the ha, yes, have been jumbled up. Yes, that is correct. Okay, so, yep, very good, mashallah. I'm going to erase the mark, and now again I'm going to show you that. Remember, we were thinking what it is. So the one that is sitting under is letter ha, and the one that is sitting on the top is letter ta. Okay, now we know that letters, the ta and the ha can be jumbled up together. Ta is sitting on top, and the ha is sitting on the bottom. Okay, so let's see. Have we gotten every single Ha. I'm going to check right from here. Okay. So in the first line, yes, we had only two. Good job. Nobody circled this because this has a tail. Meme. You know what I said? That hint, funny hint is meme starts with M, letter M. Monkey starts with letter M. Meme and monkey both have tails. That's the silly thing I say. Okay, so if it has a tail, it's not ha, it's meme. Okay, so yes, you people have got. You people got all the ha's. Okay, all the ha's are taken. Okay, so that's how letter ha can be when it's just one eye. Okay, good job. I think I'm no other ha left. Mashallah. Good job. Okay, excellent. Now we practice. And what are we going to practice? Every time, inshallah, we are going to, just quickly recap and do something, find a letter, do some sounds. Okay, now let's go back to our current lesson. Current lesson is sukoon. Sukoon grabs a letter under it and behind it. So that's what we're doing. Let's go. Sukoon. Okay, so sukoon, let's go grab some sukoon. Grabs a letter under it and behind it. Okay. Okay, so sukoon grabs a letter under it and behind it. So now if it's now there's only going to be one sound in this bubble. Wherever I see this, sukoon grabs a letter under it and behind it. Sukoon grabs a letter under it and behind it. Sukoon grabs a letter under it and behind it. Sukoon grabs a letter under it and behind it. Okay. Sukoon grabs a letter under it and behind it. Okay. And Sukoon grabs a letter under it and behind. Why do I say behind? Well, because Arabic goes that way. So this is a letter and Sukoon grabs a letter under it and behind it. So that's why I keep saying behind. Okay, let's go practice. Help me, Maddie. This is oo. This is oo. Kaf with a dhamma.
Ooh,
Koo. And make it short sound. Koo.
ooh,
And meme with a sukoon. This is koo. This is
hmm,
Put them together.
hmm,
Yes. Help me, Ashley. This is ah. Qaf with a fatha.
ha,
Dal with a sukoon. The. This is qa. This is the. Put them together.
the,
Qa and the. Glue them together.
fa, qad,
Very nice. Qad. Okay, I'll do this one. This is ah. Ba with a fatta ba. Ain with a sukoon. Ah. This is ba. This is ah. Put them together. Ba. So I have to smile here. Ba. And my ain is in the throat. So a big stretch on my face, and I'm trying to transition. I'm trying to say ba, and then the little tiny phonic sound of ain in the throat. Ba. Ba. Da. Barda. That's the how to say this one. Okay, help me, Maddie. Ain with the fatta. Big smile. Ain with the fatta.
ah,
Good job. More big smile. Like your mouth is totally stretched. Smile position. Ah,
ah,
job. And keep it short. This is ah. Ain with the fatta.
ah,
Ah. Lam with the sukoon. This is ah. This is Put them together.
al,
Excellent. And even though I can't see you, but I can tell when you are stretching and when you're not stretching. Just looks, hearing the sound. Al is good. If I don't smile, al, it's heavy. So I need it lighter in the throat. Al. Okay, help me, Ashley. This is ta with a fatha.
ha,
Ta, fa with a sukoon. This is ta. This is. Put them together.
ha,
Tough. Good job. Maddie, help. This is ghain with a fatha. Gargling sound. You don't have to smile here. This is
ra,
good job. Keep it short.
ra,
Gha and za with a sukoon. Z. Gha and z. Glue them together.
ra, raz,
Excellent. Ghaz. If I say the whole word, ghaz la ha. غزلها. That's how we'll start reading. ولا غزلها. Okay, help me, Ashley. What's this, Ashley? What's this sound?
Ah.
Good job. Noon with the sukoon. Look at this tricky noon. And put them together.
An.
Excellent. Good job. So I'm going to just sound these out one more time. Big stretch on your face, like you're smiling. Ba, qad, kum, taf, ghaz. Gargling letter of rain. Ghaz. The za is like letter Z in English, and it's sizzling. Ghaz. An. Okay, I'm gonna do two more maybe. Okay, and this is again ba repeated. Okay, and let's go. Okay, this is a tricky sound. This is dot with the fatha da and ta with the sukoon. This is da. This is t. Put them together. Dot. Dot. Okay, so if I want to read this one, na qa dot غزلها. Okay, and if I read from here to here, ولا تكونوا كالتي نقضت غزلها من بعد قوة كافا تتخذون. Okay, inshallah, we are done with today's lesson. Inshallah, you can keep looking at the recording and practicing. Inshallah.